We are live here on YouTube. Let's go live on TikTok as well. This thing sucks. Ah, okay. Now I think it's better almost. So this time at least I will be looking like this, up and down instead of sideways. Okay, hi Dennis. Good to see you. We are live here. Wells PBB, FD, Low, Nezhaj, Raja, Habib. Hi Zidane. Hi Zidane Dino. How are you doing today? How is crypto treating everyone? Solana go to 21.6. Will it be more down? Yes. If you have watched my 2 days ago video, not yesterday, the day before, you're on YouTube, you would have seen it. Hi, man. Hi, Qwerty. Good to see you. Let's see if I have missed any highs. Okay, so there's hello from Jiban. Hi, Jiban. Hi, King. After such a long time. Hi, Lana. Hey, you're from Toronto. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Someone finally from Toronto. Hi, Raja Shahid. Thanks for the gift. Hi, Gucci. Okay, Qwerty. I'm okay, and you? I'm okay too, Zidane. Today I'm going to do YouTube and TikTok like this. So TikTok is there, YouTube is here. So is it going to be weird for YouTubers? I don't know. I hope it's better than sideways. Hi RS, I missed you yesterday. You were not here. Thank you, King, for all the gifts. Nice haircut. Ah, thank you, thank you. Oh, yeah. Winter is starting here, so sound is very low. Okay, I'll attach it a bit higher. And I hope it's plugged in. Okay, yeah, is the sound better now? I'm sure for TikTok it's okay. I mean, I use poor quality stuff, but for YouTubers, I use this expensive one because it's getting recorded on YouTube. Okay, Michael says nice haircut. Thank you. What are your thoughts on H bar? Okay, H bar, we will do H bar. If you want my other thoughts, I can do that too. Where did it go? Okay, H bar. Now my cat is meowing in the background. New haircut. Thank you, Vinraj. Yeah, and I winter has started, so I decided to go and get done with it. What books should you read for in their caters to read Candle? I did share a link to a book called the Candlestick Bible, but then I decided to start making videos on it. So every candle that is out there, I am going to make a video on it. So daily you will see at least 1 or 2 candle videos from today onwards. Let me commit to that. So it's going to be 1 minute, uh, under a minute for each candle. So I'm going to explain every candle to you in under a minute with example and everything. So the way it will look like is, let me show it to you. Where the hell did it go? So this is how it would look like, but of course with my sound, right? So YouTubers can see it as well. So this would be Adil Musharraf says Salam Shah. Wa alaikum assalam. Good to see you, man. And basically the criteria and everything. And who the hell is messaging me at such time? I should turn on do not disturb. Anyway, you got the idea. And then there will be an example. Okay. So it will be like this. in the real life example. Okay, so that then it will identify the candle. Of course, you will be hearing me. Then it will show you the targets, and then it will show you what happens when that candle appears. The after effects, and then it starts blasting off. So I'm going to cover the candles, so don't worry about that. I saw that some people were lazy when I gave them the book, so I decided to make videos. Okay, Roman says, hi Shah. Yes, up and down is better. Okay, awesome. Instead of sideways. I thought sideways would be difficult, so I decided to go. So I used my third stand. I am using two stands there. This is my third one. I have one that gets attached to my working table. So that's going to, it looks like this, okay, this new setup. Camera, hmm. So where the hell did it go? Yeah, like this. So one phone is sitting on top of another phone. ARS, good to see you on YouTube as well. So, oh, you guys were not able to see it. Okay, TikTokers were struggling. So, but YouTubers were able to see it. Okay, what the hell happened? I have to go back. Yeah, I have to do H bar. There was a request. Yeesh. Okay, so H bar. So for H bar, the resistance is at 0.0482, which means that if H bar goes to that, a lot of people are going to sell and it will dump down. Right now, it is sitting close to its support, which is kind of a support, but if the market continues to be bearish, the support will break. Okay, so its support is at 0.045. So you are looking at 48 as the resistance and 45 as the support. Is sitting at 46. You can do your zeros. And today I did bring water with me. For those who don't know, Canada has cheap spring water. Cheap means like in other countries, spring water is expensive, but as they have huge amount of spring water available, that's why it's cheap. It doesn't mean that the quality is bad. It's just that it's affordable. Let's replace the word cheap with something else. H bar, okay, I did. Nice haircut, bro. Thank you. Okay, I should have done it sooner. If people were going to comment, it's easier. Hey, what do you think about big time? I don't know anything about big time. What are your thoughts on Ajax? I did cover that yesterday. Also, do you hold any AI coins? I don't hold any coins. I don't hold coins. If you want me to cover Ajax, feel free to comment again, requesting the analysis. I'll be more than happy to do that. Okay, Lana says, what do you think about VRX? Okay, I'll do a VRX for you. Just a second. VRX. Just a second. Okay, so VRS is under work. Let me see if YouTubers have made any requests. I was gone yesterday to watch Oppenheimer. I have to watch that movie. Can you give me some review, RS? How is it? I just love that guy a lot because of Peaky Blinders, and I'm scared that I don't want to watch something that I wouldn't like. So Otherwise, I would love to support him by going to cinema and watching it. It's still playing here in Scarborough, somewhere that's close to me. Do you have any update on ICX? We can do an ICX, not an issue. Okay, ICX, that that will be after VRX. So many X's there. VRX, ICX. Okay, what are TikTokers saying? Big Time was launched yesterday on Binance. Ah, has a project on the back with a game or something like that. Okay, it's metaverse project. It's not new. It's same old, same old. Uh, it would have been beneficial for those who got into pre-sale or got in early before it got listed. I don't know what is going on with Big Time. Did it exist before Binance? If yes, then those who were invested in it, they have benefited from it extensively. But if it did not exist, then if it was through launchpad of Binance, then you could have pretty much taken part in that as well. But I generally stay away from newly launched projects after they're launched, because I'm talking about Binance, okay? I'm not talking about shitcoin space. The reason for it is that all the hype and everything is done, and generally you don't want to get into a place where you get hurt massively, because there is no history in relation to that project. You don't know where the low is, where the high is, so you can pretty much get destroyed. Plus, the utility of it is very common, so nothing exciting about it. Yes, please, if you can provide details on Ajax. Okay, why not? After VRX, we'll do the ICX, and I have received a message from my teammate. He's saying, "Oh, my laptop shut down automatically for some reason." So there's nothing to panic, to be honest with you. Okay, now what was I going to do? Nothing. Okay, YouTube. You should definitely watch it. Okay, then Oppenheimer it is. Oppenheimer. At least I'm saying it correctly. This is one difficult name. What do you think about Bad Idea? AI. Never heard of them. These guys are choosing really difficult names these days. Bad Idea, Big Time. Damn. Okay. What is your analysis on CFX? Okay, you have to comment again because we are already sitting on 2 or 3. Okay, what is your analysis on CFX? Please wait for your turn. Thank you so much for your answer. Ru. Hey, Ru, good to see you. Someone has had a haircut. Yes. What is your. Okay, same questions I'm going to ignore. Okay, let me just block this spammer. Someone is promoting a shitcoin here. Mute account. That would be nice. Now I know how to do it. Okay. Now, what was I looking at? Just a second on YouTube. Muhammad Ali says, Shah, hi. Now you guys are like this. Okay. I'm not taking any requests. We already have 2 on requests. We are X and ICX. So please wait for your turn. If you have any other questions apart from analysis, I would be more than happy to do that. How is your cat doing? Oh, he is doing, Alhamdulillah, he's doing fantastic. I cannot complain about anything. Where did he go? He's somewhere. I think he went back to my bedroom. The other one is sitting here angry. I decided not to let them out anymore, both of the cats. Uh, Not that they jumped from there. Talking about corridor, I deal with so much extra problems, like I had to buy anti-flea medicine. Hi, Bhaktin. Good to see you. Thanks for the gift. Um, Anti-flea medicine. Then I had to buy dewormer. I have to deworm them every month because in the hallway they eat bugs and stuff, and I'm always concerned and worried. And yeah, it's too much. Plus now it's winter, always colder than my house, my apartment. So what happens is that generally it becomes really, really challenging. And yeah, that's something that I'm thinking of. So I'm keeping them inside basically. Your cats are so lucky with you. We can see clear that you take care of them. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm trying my best. I have purchased them a cat wheel now. It's a big device and a bit heavy, and I'm hoping they will use it and they will run on it and exercise. The other cat is doing something. Oh, it's not there. It's a bad one. Anyway, so I see that the market has pretty much scared everyone. Hi, Anda. Nice haircut. Thank you. Okay, and the reason I'm saying this is that because I see people disappearing from the market. They are not engaging, and they're pretty much concerned because the market is eating from both sides. One is from the shorts, one is from the longs. But overall, when you look at the market, it looks like something like this. I mean, it's not relevant to what I'm saying, but I'm just saying that overall market is kind of in a downtrend. Every time there is a bit up, which gives hope, but then it goes down further, like we saw in Ethereum. It pumped by $20-30, then it started dumping again, and Ethereum has pretty much touched all the targets I had for it based on this dump from the time it started dumping towards 1520. Then I added extra targets for 1480, and that's pretty much where I would like to Ethereum to stop, and then I would like to reevaluate and see what the hell is going to happen next, because you can take it in pieces. Generally what happens is that you give one direction towards the end, if it's for a longer period of time, and those who are viewing the videos, they don't understand, then they come and say, you were saying it's going down, look, it's going up. They don't understand that it has gone down by 100 and now it's only up by 20. But anyway, I sold my XRP due to the news. Which news? Did you see any kind of news? I mean, a lot of people sold the XRP. One guy sold around 52 cents recently, and he's happy at least. Now he can buy again if he wants to. And what is going on with the wallet? Okay, so BNB XRP, where did it go? XRP 48 cents. Yeah, it's still sitting there like an angry child. But guys, the moment XRP breaks 48 cents, you will see new lows on it after a long time. Thank you, Stockboy. Okay, let me see if you made a comment. You just gave me a gift. The XRP army after me. Why would they be after you? I'm not. I have still got mine. Ah, okay, okay. You have not sold. Okay. No, no, it was someone else. There was someone else. He contacted me. He told me that I'm selling it because you're saying. I said, please, for the love of God, don't say that. Don't scare me. Sell if you want to sell. Don't sell because I'm saying. I'm just giving you market direction based on what I believe, and I cannot be 100% accurate. So this is something that I think people need to keep in mind when they're dealing with crypto or with people like me. You need to understand no one knows everything just because of the fact there is no way to know everything. Hi Twix, good to see you. VRX is here. Let's have the drum roll. So VRX is in the middle. So its support is at $7, 7.1. It's sitting at 11.2, and its resistance is at $17. So it's in the middle, but the overall trend on VRX is as ugly as it can be. Okay, on a daily, this is how it looks like. Hmm. So this is VRX, and you can see that it's pretty much trying to go further down. And I have no idea how old this thing is, but it had its bump from $4 or so. But anyway, in the short run, what we are seeing for VRX is straightforward that it's sitting in the middle. It's not a good place to make a trading decision, like in terms of buying or shorting. But if you are trying to sell and get out because you're already in profit, then that would make sense if you think it's good. For ICX, okay, it's getting close to its resistance. So its resistance is at 16 cents, 16.8. It's sitting at 16.7. And if the resistance is true, then what you should see is that you should see it reacting to this and going down further. And even though it's forming a cup here, okay, you see this? Those who follow cup and handle patterns, so they would see a cup here, then they would try to see a handle. So even if it is forming handle, it needs to consolidate here or go a bit down here, form the handle before it breaks above and do its thingy. Thank you, Stockboy, for all the gifts. So even considering that it's a cup and handle forming, still it needs to stay below this line. So this thing stays true. And if it's not the cup and handle situation and the market is going to dump, thank you everyone. Why gifts all of a sudden? What happened? Oh, Cap. Thank you, Stockboy. Thank you, Patrick. That's too many gifts for me. You guys are so kind. At least tell me what happened. What did I do? Okay. My teammate is saying we are in the long of ICX already. I run this $10 crypto Telegram group. He's talking about that. You're sharing the premium for free. It's just fun, kind. Let me see other requests. Okay. Okay, let's see what is going on in TikTok. Thank you, Manish, for the rose. Brother, at what price point it is good idea to buy XRP? I would generally try to buy it in 40s. It depends. I have this video. I beg you to watch it. Otherwise, I would be covering this every time here, and that's not a good idea. I shared that in this WhatsApp thingy I had created. It's called channel. So this is how this video looks like. Okay, it says how to DCA. It's not a DCA. It is a DCA, but it's called pyramid. Okay, it's something that I don't know if someone has already called it that. The shape is like pyramid. I call it pyramid. Someone might have called it pyramid as well. So basically, if I'm you and I'm so much in love with XRP, so what I would do is that I would create a pyramid for it, okay, like this. I would buy 10% here, then 10% here, or maybe you can do 15%. And I would do a buying of 40% here. And so this is 10, this is 10, this is 20. And let's say you bought 20 here as well. That doesn't make sense. So 40, we need to buy more. So let's say it's not 40, this is 50, okay? And this was also 20. So 10, this is 50 plus 50, that's 100. This way you buy it here at 48 cents, okay? 48 cents, 0.48. This is weird way of writing anyway. So you bought 10% of your wealth at 48 cents, okay? So you have $100,000, $10,000 XRP at 48 cents. Then XRP drops to 46, then you buy again, then it drops to 44, then you buy again, then it drops to 42, then you buy again. This is based on the assumption that we think that XRP will go to 42 cents and not lower. This way, your majority of buying will be at 50% of your purchase will be at 42, and you wouldn't make a stupid decision of buying all together at 48 cents. I have covered this in video in a way more better manner than what I just showed you. If you are madly in love with something, use this approach. It will help you massively. Okay, what is Stockboy saying? Thank you for the hat and the mustache. I really appreciate all the gifts you gave me, all that stuff. Do you have a chat group as for analysis for different markets? I only have a chat group and what do you call it? And a paid group. So the paid group has no chat because I have chat open in a free group, okay? And the paid group is $10 a month. And that's why I have blocked the chat in it. So chat is open here in the free group. And over here, all paid members, they come here and they chit chat, and those who are not paid member, they still hang out anyway. So, and it's only for crypto. I don't have it for anything else. And I don't have any courses or anything, but I'm making a lot of them. So you will be seeing a lot of them. But I just have it only for crypto, nothing else. BTC bull and beer, BTC bull and beer. So you're saying, is it bullish or bearish? As long as the resistance holds for BTC, which is way high at 27,700. Thank you to Leap. That thing is going to continue with the downward story because BTC had a support of $27,000. It reacted to that support in a very respectable manner. It never came down, but the moment it came down and it broke. It didn't go up again. So that support is gone. It did pump from it towards $28,000 two times after I called it support. One time it did it already before me identifying it because it went to 28,500 just like that. And then I evaluated the market, and after that it did it twice as well. So the support held pretty well for multiple days, or if not a week. And that support is gone now. Now we have a resistance at 27,700. It's 770, but anyway. And what we expect is that we expect Bitcoin to continue with a downward trend. So wherever you see BTC, you expect it to go towards 25,500. In my videos, I'm giving you the targets so you can look at the targets. That is what I expect, and that is the direction I'm seeing for Bitcoin. Asking not with short-term mindset, asking with at least 2 years hold mindset. Okay, Zishan. Okay, so let me find your comment. Brother, at what price point it is good idea to buy XRP? Okay, so if you are buying for long term, then what I would recommend you to do is look for lower prices on XRP, like 20 cents. Yes, it is really difficult to think XRP will go to 20 cents, but it is a possibility. Like if I'm going to long Bitcoin, I think I'll start longing it from $23,000. I will start buying it in small pieces, and my plan will be to long Bitcoin till $8,000. So I would go that long, and maybe still I would keep some extra buffer, because the thing is that next year and the year after are the two most uncertain years ever, which means that everything that you buy from today onwards, okay, is going to be in extremely questionable space. You would get profitable multiple times, but what would happen is that you would not take profits because you have bigger profits in your mind, and that will make things difficult. And the reason I used Bitcoin example from 23 to $8,000 is just because of the fact that uh, there is this one case scenario where Bitcoin, a lot of people believe that is going to go to $12,000 before it starts the rally. And if it can go to 12, it can go to 8 as well. So we should just prepare for the worst, but that can happen in 2025 as well. This year we might just see Bitcoin going down towards 25 or 23, or maybe 22,000 something. And then what happens is that after that it starts a rally towards 40, $50,000, the mini bull run before the halving, and then after halving is just a red bloodbath, and then we see financial crisis next year, and that would be one form of a story. Lana says thank you Lana, thank you for being here. What exchange do you suggest users to use? I always suggest Binance. I still use Binance. In Canada it's banned, but I have used a different passport on it, and I have a DPN. Uh, it's a hardware device. It's a VPN, but it's a hardware one. So what it does is that it it puts you on a proxy, unlimited. You can be on a proxy for every device basically. Like my TV can be on a proxy of Latin America. Which one? Venezuela. Okay. And my computer or my internet can be on India's proxy. So it lets you put your every device on a different proxy. Plus, it's one-time payment. So that device is for like 250, and it's one time. I used to use Nord, but Nord sucks. It sucks because it disconnects in the middle. It has glitches, and what's its name? Binance and others, they figure it out like this, that you are using a proxy. So I still use Binance. If you want to use something else, you have so many other options. You have KuCoin. You want to go for a bit lower ones, you have BitGet, Bybit, Mex, yeah, all that stuff. But the one that I trust is Binance. After all that has happened, it's still Binance. Usama says, wow. Hi, okay. That is a wow. Stockboy says, because you deserve it. Thank you so much. Okay, that was the reason for the gifts then. What do you think about Polkadot? Okay, we can do a Polkadot. It was requested the other day as well. Where did it go? Dot. Polka dot. Okay. Is it good time to buy some coins? No, it's not. Thank you, stock. Man, what was this chandelier? You need to stop doing this, stock boy. That's too many gifts, and I'm not used to it. So it's too much. I'm extremely grateful. Do you think will? Thank you, Manish. Do you think Bitcoin will go to 36K? It's struggling with 32. You have to understand that the biggest resistance for Bitcoin in 2023 is $32,000. It's the most famous one. It's the popular, it's like the movie of the year, something that is famous. Okay, my Amazon products have arrived. He's at the gate. Thank you, RS. So 36, no, it needs to break 32. The moment you see 32 gone, you see 40K, 45K. You see way more, not 36K. Is it a good time to buy some coins? Like I said, no, just because of the fact that, thank you, RS. Uh, Man, thank you for all the gifts. Eesh. Guys, please stop. It's either me talking or thanking you guys. Okay. So, hi bro, how are you? I'm good. I'm good. What about Bitcoin? Thank you, RS. Bitcoin, I'm expecting it to have the resistance of 27,700. I expect it to go towards 25,500. It will go in pieces. So you can set your targets in pieces just like that. So wherever it is sitting right now, let me check where the hell it is. It's sitting at 26,680. So your first target is 26,500, 26,000, and then 25,500. You expect it to go down towards these targets, and if the resistance breaks, then it will change the story. But will that happen is a question. Is the VIP 10 USD or 10 CAD? It's 10 USD. The reason is that I'm using a bot. That bot company charges me in two ways. One is that they charge me $55 per month, and they take away 3%. Thank you. 3% of every transaction, and you're worth every penny. Thank you. Thank you, Manish. Do you stake your crypto? I used to, not anymore. I lost heavily to staking of Stepin. So Stepin recently, there was a news on Stepin. I have not confirmed, but I believe my teammate. Uh, so he has shared the news in Telegram. Where did it go? That Stepin has, yeah, Stepin collaborates with Apple Music. So this was the latest news. The good part of Stepin is that it's still alive. The bad part is that for the amount of money I have purchased those NFTs have gone down. I think I have lost $30,000 to it, but I don't know. Thank you, Sockboy, for so many cones. So I don't stake anymore. But if you want to stake, you can stake. But you should know how to stake and how to exit. Thank you, Stockboy. This is too much. Thank you. Do you believe with XR? Thank you, Manish. Okay. XR. What is XR? Okay. You guys, RS and Stockboy, you guys need to stop with the gifting. YouTubers will be pretty much pissed off. Because they are hearing only this and they're not seeing. It would sound like a ghost experience for them, where a ghost comes and starts touching you and they don't see you. Thank you for the glasses. I got to see so many new things because of you, Stockboy. The chandelier, the what was it, glasses and other stuff. And the chicken, I didn't know. RS, we in both places. Yes, you are throwing money over there. Thank you, Stockboy. Thank you so much. Okay, all chat is now covered with gifts. So Bitcoin 40K before halving. Yes, that is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting Bitcoin to go to $50,000 before halving, and then I would see it going down. Thank you, Ru. Aisha, could Gala ever reach $1? Let me just check that for you. Okay, what's wrong with my throat? Just a second. I don't know. Okay, so Polkadot is here. Let's do Polka, then I'll do what was it? Gala for you. Could you make a video on the halving and what we expect from it? Yes, why not? Definitely. I'll do that, RS. So Polkadot is sitting where it broke its first support. First support in is a sense that it's the first weak support, then you have a stronger support, due to which, if you look at it, it looks like it's in the middle, but it's not. It's actually sitting on its support. So if you look at the overall bigger story, this is the support, this is the resistance, then it looks like it's in the middle, but this was actually a support as well. So the support was at 3.69. Okay. Sorry, no, that was not support. The support was at 3.72. It's sitting at 3.69, which means it has broken this support. And this is on daily. Okay, so this is a respectable one. And it has gone down below it. It has closed the candle below it. Okay. So some things that usually you look at is that if you when you identify a support and you have a candle that closes below that support, that indicates that that support is kind of gone. So this has closed below it, and right now it's actually living below it. And this is a daily candle, which means that it has spent more than 24 hours. That pretty much solidifies the case scenario and that the support is broken. Of course, anything can reverse. TA can be accurate up to a percentage like 70, 80%, maybe 90, but nothing is 100%. So its resistance is way up at 4.26. Okay, and you are looking this polka dot going towards 3.1. So you're looking at a downward trend for polka dot, which it is following from quite a while. Okay, so this is polka dot. I don't know if you guys know, I told you that this was from the memes era of food. Polka dot is friends with sushi and cake and all that stuff. Okay, what was the other request? It was in relation to Gala, but it is not a TA. Let me do the fundamental for you. Okay, Gala. I'm too close for the YouTubers. You might see my nose here. I'll just go it back. Gala. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. No. $1, no. 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 Yeah, it's at 670 million market cap. Oh, sorry, 330 million market cap. And it's sitting at 0.013. And after all this, fight of the owners of Gala, the founders, that kinds of put them in a very bad place. And it's at 1 cent. So even for 10 cents, it needs to go to 3 billion. So at a 30 billion, it will be at $1. Yeah. I mean, it's something that is achievable. XRP is sitting there. But the thing is that, well, people put $30 billion in it. They're not putting that in XRP after all this hype and everything. XRP is sitting at 25.7 billion. And XRP has partnerships with everyone. You go and ask your auntie that you have not talked to, she will tell you that she has signed a partnership with XRP. So after so much power and hype and everything, it's not able to reach $30 billion in current state, of course. You expect Gala to go there. It doesn't make any sense. Gala needs to do something really, really magical. First, they need to improve their image with what has happened. They need to come up with a very good story and fix that. Some people just cannot have a comeback. Like, look at Britney Spears, the princess of pop. So king was Michael, then queen was Madonna, then she was the princess. Things messed up. Her fault, not fault, but there's no comeback. The only person who tried to survive was Madonna. That changed with the passage of time, tried to keep up with it. Same things apply to Gala. If Gala fixes its image, and then on top of it, they come up with really new promising products or utility, whatever it is, then yes, Gala can get pushed really well. The positive part of Gala is that it's backed by a lot of Americans, which means that it's backed by rich people. So the investors of Gala are rich dudes and duties. So the word for men is dude, for the women, girls. I don't know. What is the word that is similar to dude for women? If you could share that with me. Thoughts on XRP? Ruben Soto says XRP is the same story. We are expecting it to go low. I'm just expecting it to break 48 cents, but of course, we have already confirmed that it's going to go low. 52 cents is the resistance, and all the pumps are to be followed by the downfalls. So, all those will be fake pumps. If you're trying to scalp, yes, whenever it pumps a bit, you can scalp it and get the hell out of it because it is on a downward rally. We tried a lot with XRP for weeks. Even we found support at 52 cents, but XRP was not able to hold it. So while other crypto projects, they did held on to support and did perform. Good example would be Solana. It found its support at $20, then it pumped towards $24, 24.5, did everything. Same applies to slower projects like Cardano. It did pretty well as well, considering how Cardano is. But I couldn't see that with XRP. XRP, all pumps were based on news, and that's it, which means that the overall psychology of investors towards XRP is not bullish. In the chats, they say they have invested $75,000 on this price, but I think they all are lying now because I have this guy who always comments that, oh, I bought the dip 75K, 50K, this, that. I don't think that people are actually buying because when you look at the overall reaction of the market and how XRP is doing, I don't see that in the charts, right? So as you don't see it in the chart, it means that this thing, everyone is pretty much frustrated with it. Everyone wants to sell. Those who are holding and haven't sold, they will sell when it gets to 40 because it will break their faith. Because decrease from 52 cents, which was an opportunity for them for weeks. So 52, and then it's 40, that's 12 cents, right? Why did I use calculator? That is a 23% decline. Eesh. So if you have invested $100,000, you will lose $23,000 just by not making one simple decision of selling and then buying again. So that is what will hurt them, and then they will think that this thing is going to go further low and it might cause panic and 40 cents might break as well. Or maybe that would be the time when whales come in and they would swoop in and they would buy. Usually they try to frustrate retailers and they do it beautifully. It's generally the sharks, not the whales. Whales don't have that kind of time and energy, but sharks, they do. They are the ones who open leverage trades as well. Please review Atom. Okay, Atom it is. Atom. Atom is Cosmos, right? I really like the name. Don't play with me, Harris. Okay, so what kind of competition was that? You got more chances of Gala going to $1 more than XRP. Everyone is pretty much waiting for what do you call it? For $1 stories. Shiba is waiting for that too, and others are as well. Could you make a video on halving? Okay, Shah, what is a good place to learn how to swing trade? YouTube, you can find a lot of videos on YouTube. But again, like I always say, it depends on the strategy. Just give me some time, RS. I will cover that, I swear. Aisha, did you check XLM? No, Manuel. We will do XLM after Atom. Don't worry. Please ask for it again, and in case I forget. So he says dudettes, girls. Yeah, I thought it is girls. It's guys and girls. Yes, it is. Okay. Would you have thought on why whale addresses are selling BTC and ETH? Because maybe they all are expecting it to go down, like us, fortunately. I mean, yeah, but there is something like if you guys want to follow the whales, the data over there is delayed because I had my own AI built in 2020 tracking these whales on chain. But now there are tools out there as well. They are not as fast and real time. They're delayed by days, but it's still good enough to give you a perspective. So go and Google on-chain analysis. Thank you, RS. And on-chain data, you can get to see what krakens are doing, what whales are doing, what sharks are doing, and what dolphins are doing. You don't care about dolphins, but up to the level of sharks is good. So krakens and humpback whale or whale and sharks, these are the people that you need to see. Sharks are the ones that you should follow for trading. They are traders. They have the mindset of a trader, and they do trading. They manipulate the market very well. And I have seen krakens making bad decisions. I have seen whales and humpback whales making bad decisions in crypto. I have not seen sharks making bad decisions. For some reason, sharks are always right, almost always right. And I think the reason for that is they are using stop losses because they are traders. They are using stop losses. So I think that's why that even when the market reverses and try to damage them, the stop loss hits and they get out of that trade with a bit of loss instead of being stuck. In case of krakens are hard to damage, but yeah, still, their bad decision can happen, and what would happen is that they would get hurt. I have seen them making bad decision few times, but generally they are good. And them making bad decision, I think that must have been because of some news or something. But those were the times when retailers were able to destroy the whales. So those small win moments, but unfortunately, retailers were not looking at that on-chain analysis, so they never got to enjoy and celebrate their win. Because when retailers come together, they can actually screw up pretty much everyone. But they need to be together. Which hardware VPN are you using? It's called DPN, DPN network. You can search it. Yeah, it's even the logo on top of it, it says DPN. Let me actually show it to you. I'm not affiliated with anything that I share here. I'm actually trying to avoid that. DPN network images. And this is how this device looks like, okay? It's like this silver hard box. You can step on it and it will not break. Yeah, and it's called, what is its name? It's called Deeper Network. So you can go to their website and buy it from there. I bought it from Amazon. I couldn't wait. And this is their website. Okay, I'm using a dark mode, so sorry for that. But it's a good device if you are trying to save money. You don't want to pay monthly or annually to Nord or anyone. Use this is pretty much doing the same thing. For me, like how did I save on it or feel happy? I use a lot of subscriptions like Disney and this and that. Uh, on YouTube, I am paying $1 while I'm in Canada. I should be paying $10 or something or more for YouTube Premium. The reason I'm able to pay less is because my television is, I switched my television to Latin America, the country from where Messi is. What is that country name? Every time I'm thinking Vietnam. It's not Vietnam. Can someone on YouTube say the name, please? Argentina. Argentina. Yeah, yeah. Now I remember. So I changed the country to Argentina. Argentina YouTube is cheaper than India. So I'm paying $1. Thank you, RS. So I'm paying $1 per month for YouTube. So changing your location helps. I thought it will help me with the Crunchyroll as well, the anime one, but it didn't. So yeah, that, but it helps in so many things which are location based. You can save a lot of money. Manish says yes. Thank you. Oh, there's an analysis on a coin, and then I have 6 minutes to go. Okay, it was on Atom. Okay, so Atom is pretty much range bound. Okay, when you look at it on daily, this is how it looks like. So it's pretty convincing story. So every candle is a daily. So this is multiple weeks that you are seeing. 3, 7, 7, 7, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so this is almost 2 months. This is almost 2 months. And you can see that since it has entered here, it's pretty much respecting this resistance, right? And right now it's here, but it has respected this support only once. With resistance, we have 3 times stories, okay? I don't know if you can call this double top. If you call this double top, this was pretty much an indication that this thing is going down, okay? Uh, so yeah, right now it's sitting at 6.58. Its support is at 6.37. And if the support doesn't hold, you will see it bleeding further. So Atom will go further down. If the market continues to bleed, that will make sense as well, right? When I was showing it to, oh yeah, you guys saw it as well. Nice. Okay, the angle is fine. Okay, and yeah, the support, the resistance is at 7.58. So you know your resistance, you know your support. That is Atom. So it's doing what Link is doing, but Atom is doing it for 2 months, and Link is doing it for 12 months. It's stuck. It's in this range. Where XRP is going in 10 years, if they don't win the case, it's going to 1 cent or worse. What will be worse than 1 cent? 10th part of a 1 cent. They need to win this case because there are so many other people who are doing the same thing what XRP is doing, and they're eating the market share. DW stock boy. What is DW? Where is XRP going in 2100? Now you guys are having fun. What do you think about Islam coin? There you go. Promotion started again. I muted one, another one came. Bro, have you checked Bannex token? No. Don't forget Ajax. Okay. I didn't do Ajax. No, I didn't. Let me do Ajax. I'm so sorry. This is the last request I'm taking because 3 minutes are left. Ledger MasterCard. What exactly? Fantastica Bum. That is one dangerous name. Fantastica Bombastica. What exactly about Ledger MasterCard? Can you please elaborate a little? Like today, I have bought drink from the shop and took 50 EU out of ATM from Ledger MasterCard I choose. Okay, so it's like a way of payment. There was this, there's actually a shitcoin. It's called FCS. One of the people in my mentorship, so I run this mentorship program one-on-ones with people. It was, I don't remember which student was it. They went back and found that project, and I was laughing because I had invested in that in 2021. I made money, got out. I made money or lost money, whatever happened. But they shared that with me, and I was laughing. Now, a project like that, which is a shitcoin, which wasn't shitcoin, but I mean, it's living for more than 2 years now. They were letting you buy mortgage on your car, your home with that. So buying drink with your Ledger MasterCard, I think people are doing that in shitcoin. So if it's not a shitcoin, no biggie, I would say. It's pretty much doable, but I mean, good for Ledger MasterCard. Okay. Choose Litecoin for payment. So now my currency is Litecoin. Nice, nice, nice. And I have black physical card. That's awesome. It's a good experience. Okay, where was I? Yeah, I was looking at Ajax. Ajax. Yeah, I always think why it sounds weird because Ajax is a place here in Canada, in Toronto. It's not in Toronto. It's a separate place, but it's called Ajax, close to Toronto. But it's AJAX. Yeah, it's different. Okay, last support is broken for Ajax, AGIX1. Its support was at 0.17, 17 cents, and right now it's sitting below it. And I mean, it's not in the middle, but kind of in middle. It's sitting at 16.6, and we expect it to go down towards 15.8, which is kind of a new support. If that support held, then you would expect Ajax to bounce off it. If not, you can expect it to continue with the downward story. And this is a new coin. As much as I remember, this is a daily chart, and new coins are really, really uncertain, unreliable, and the data of it or the analysis of it is not very strong, I would say. Argentina, clever man. Opinion loom, will it rise or will it come back down? I did loom yesterday. I'm so sorry I will not be able to do it today. I ran out of time. I do 1 hour live every day, including weekends. What happened to your hair? JSW, I went for a haircut. The hair design is because I slept and I woke up, the hairstyle was ready. I was happy. I was like, but yeah, yeah. And if you're asking me why I don't have a hole here, but I have it here, you see, doctors told me because I'm sleeping on my right side. So this thing rubs with my pillow, rub, and a lot of rubbing makes your hair disappear. No one told me that. Lol, you slept during your haircut. Oh, RS, don't get me started. Anyway, everyone, take care. It was so good speaking to you all again, and thank you for the gift war, Stockboy and RS. Totally unnecessary. I really appreciate what you guys did, but thank you so much. And Riza, take care. You guys, I'm going to see Riza on Saturday, I think. Yeah, and the other ones are on Sunday. So yeah, multiple classes. Take care, Twix. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. I turn off Twitter first. Oh no, Twitter, TikTok. Bye. And then YouTube.